Good evening, this is Al Goldstein from Midnight Blue. I think a lot of you know I talk about court TV all the time. I am a court TV junkie. I have that station on all the time. I love it. In fact, I'm quite unhappy that in my Florida home, I live in Florida, I'm a resident in Florida, and LA, which I visit, those systems, because there's second-rate systems, inferior systems run by Continental, I don't get court TV. But I recently was told that court TV will be offered on this new direct satellite deal with the 18-inch dish. So basically, fuck you, Continental. Cable, I'm going to get court TV. I love court TV. And Stephen Brill, I like him because he's a little rough at the edges. He doesn't really have great social graces, but he's honest. He's a tough, frontier-style journalist, and he created court TV. And I'll tell you the truth, I genuflect him. If he were a priest, I would kiss his ring, because court TV is wonderful. And court TV has brought great trials. I've been watching this palimony suit, $350 million suit. I'm sure the jury's going to award the woman $50 million because the guy's a real cheap asshole, and she deserves it. But the important thing is the Menendez trial. Oh, I love that trial. And also, by the way, at Court TV, there's a wonderful producer, Janet Paste, who really knows how to tie the day's activities into 2 hard-hitting hours on primetime justice, which is 8 to 10 p.m. And by the way, I am for sale, because Court TV had my son working there last summer, and I will kiss ass to get him a job there this summer. So I will suck ass. Yes, Stephen, I will suck your ass. Janet, your ass too. But the Menendez trial, fascinating. The fact that these scumbag kids could be acquitted, but of course, I mean, 6 women said poor boys were assaulted, were abused. It's pathetic. You don't mind that they're women, therefore they're sort of defective genetically in IQ. I mean, there's missing pieces of intelligence. They are the inferior sex, truthfully. But when you have a professional journalist like Terry Moran, who's on Court TV, and I like Terry, smart guy, brilliant writer, but he is all upset that the Fox production of the dramatized Menendez case favored the prosecution. And the reason is Terry is pussy whipped by the Menendez boys' lawyer, Abramson. Maybe he gets a lick or two, I'm not sure. But he is pussy whipped, and I found out why. He wants to be the 3rd son. He's going to change his name from Moran to Menendez. At least the initials are the same, so his towels won't be affected. And I realized there's a 3rd gun theory. When the 2 boys were shooting and blowing away their mom and dad with 15 shots, going out to reload, the 3rd gun was Terry Moran. So he hasn't been brought into the case yet, but there's blood on his hands still. Terry, you're a pussy-whipped sycophant, that's what you are. And why you have sold out to the defense, I think she's a cute blonde. And I think the prosecution had uglier lawyers, but it's a cop-out. Terry Moran, fuck you.